Hello, welcome to RapzWorldWide software, and this is the specification of the rumored iPhone 13 Pro Max. But before we start, don't forget to hit the subscription button below and turn the notification bell on for more updates. Please note that this is not a promotional video. This video was made for a purpose of showing a viewer the specifications of this device. Not to influence a viewer to purchase this device, RapzWorldWide software is not responsible for any decision taken by a viewer.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless. Calling them all night. I'm calling. I'm calling.
Thank you for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification below, or even comment your opinions, then smash the like button, because you are awesome.